Okay, it's overcast, it's Sunday, it's 5 o'clock in the evening. It's still fucking windy. But looking back on one of my videos I posted like 2 or 3 videos ago, I started my my night creeping series with flying around like at night. And at the start of the video was Barking Creek flood barrier that comes off the River Thames in London. And I flew towards it, but because of the position I was flying from, I wasn't actually on the river's edge, I was a few roads back. As soon as I got low enough, I was kind of behind buildings and started to lose signal. But it's not good enough, because, you know, I've got to do shit, I've got to complete shit, I've got goals, you know, fucking YouTube. So I'm gonna fly today from the river, I'm gonna try, as long as it ain't too windy. We'll find out when we get there. This could be another fucking powered vlog. I'm gonna fly across the river, which is about, I don't know, half a kilometre to a kilometre. But that's not the goal. The goal is to fly through Barking Creek flood barrier, which is like a H shape, and fly under the barrier. That's what I'm gonna try and do. So keep it locked. There it is. I'm here with Mr. Coops, old school flyer, and Bilbo Baggins, the high flyer. And we're gonna go for that. Oh, there. And we're gonna try and miss that power line there, and that power line there, which is about 100 foot on the other side of the barrier. It's windy. It's really, really windy. Nailed it! We nailed the Barking Creek flood barrier. Now I'm gonna go for an impromptu cloud session. It is really fucking windy. I know for a fact I'm gonna get drift. I'm gonna try and stay within 100 foot of myself, but I'm gonna get blown out. But I'm gonna go straight up, see if I can punch through this cloud, see how good we get. White out. So we did it. We punched through the clouds.
That's them both turned off.
Can you see how wet that is? It's soaking wet. There is water everywhere. So, gonna go indoors and dry this out. But we nailed it. Anyway, that's today's quick antics from me and special guest, Mr. Coops. Bilbo Baggins, the high flyer.
Yeah.
Peace. Peace.